Hello guys, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can install Ubuntu 20 on your Android phone. So guys, this is the latest video guys, so watch this video till the end and you will be able to install Ubuntu 20 which is latest on your Android phone. So first of all, download VNC Viewer and Termux application. So for that, just open any Chrome browser. Don't download Termux application from Play Store guys. Okay, so search here Ubuntu on Android Mahesh Technicals. You will get this article here. Click on that article. If you not find this article, just open maheshtechnicals.com and click on search bar and type Ubuntu. After that you will get these articles here. So follow these article guys, follow this article which is on right side. Click on that and you will reach here. After that you need to download. For that, just click on download section and it will appear in 15 seconds. Okay, so download Termux here from here and VNC Viewer from here. Just click on Termux and you will reach here. After that, scroll down and you will get one download button here. So click on that button and your Termux application will start downloading. Okay, so download and install Termux application from here only. Don't download from Play Store. Okay, after that just open Termux application. It will take some time. Make sure your internet connection is on. Okay, now go again on my article, scroll up and you will get method 2 here. Click on that and here you will get all requirement files and requirements commands. Okay, so go to installation section and you will get this command here. So just copy that command. The next command is to download some, actually for storage permission, allow it and let's check ls and you can see storage folder here. After that you need to install some packages. Done guys. So now we need to download our Ubuntu 20 script. Okay, so copy that command. It is the most important command guys. Okay, it is the script which installed Ubuntu 20. Okay, just paste here, then check ls and you can see you have ubuntu.sh file. Now we need to give some permissions. For that, copy this command, paste here. Now you can see this file in green. Okay, it means permission successfully granted. After that you need to follow this command to install Ubuntu 20 on your Android phone. It will take 20 to 30 minutes guys. So just type Y and enter and it will take time. So you can see I did 11x fast. Okay guys, you can see very fast video guys. Just follow my guide, don't skip guys, otherwise you will not able to install. Okay, now you will get this screen here. Just put username, any username. I'm going to put empty. Press enter, then enter full name, then set password for user and password for root as well. That's it guys, your password is successfully set. Okay, so now time zone and time data, you can select any. I'm going to select US and just press enter. Now again scrolling. That's it guys. So it is asking for VNC password, so put your password here, press enter, and it will, you can now on localhost portal. So now you need to enable VNC server. Okay, so for that just follow my command, and after you will get VNC access as well. So go to my website and you will get this command here for starting VNC server and stop VNC server. All details and all commands you will get there. Just press enter and your VNC server is started. Okay, so open VNC server application. We paste here localhost :5901. Don't forget to put 5901. This is your port. Okay, now put any machine name, whatever you want. Click on connect, press OK, put your VNC password, and that's it guys. Your Ubuntu 20 is successfully installed on your Android phone, and you can use it via VNC Viewer. You can see internet option here, and open this browser guys, Chromium browser. It will work perfectly fine, no issue with that. I am going to search my channel name. Let me check internet connection is working or not. You can see internet is perfectly working fine without any issue. You will get lot more options here, which is terminal, file manager, search bar. Okay, terminal are also working perfectly fine without any error. So you can use this machine to access Ubuntu on your Android phone. You can see this is the file manager. You can access all your root files here, you can see. So you can use this virtual machine on your Android phone. So if you want to stop VNC server, you can copy that command and paste into your terminal. It will stop working, and whenever you want to start Ubuntu again, it will automatically start via VNC server start command. Okay guys, so you will get all the commands from my website without any issue guys. So follow my guide from website and you will able to install Ubuntu 20 latest version on your Android phone. Okay, so I will give you my article link in the description as well, so you can follow that link and you can able to install Ubuntu 20 on your Android phone. Okay guys, so that's it for today, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So we will meet in the next video. Okay guys, so follow this guide, it will help you to install Ubuntu 20 on your Android phone. Okay, so thank you so much for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.